topic is use of void. Every program execution starts from the first statement or line of the main function and ends at the last statement. The data type void symbolizes that the value which the function will be returning will be a null value. There is no function called void, but a function can be declared with a return type of void. This means that the function doesn't return a value. Void can also be used to indicate to the compiler that the function does not take any arguments. The most uses of void are: first, void as a function return type; second, void as a function parameter; third, void as a pointer declaration. Now, first use void as a function return type. Void return type do not return a value when the function is executed. See the example. In this example, void keyword used in the function return type, we do not need the return statement. Now the second use of function void as a function parameter. Void as a function parameter means that no values are passed into the function. See the example. Now in this example, no values are passed into the function. Now the third use of function is void as a pointer declaration. A pointer, void pointer, void star is a pointer that has no associated data type with it. A void pointer can hold address of any type and can be type casted to any type. Now see the example. Now this example shows pointer declaration. Now next topic is a recursion. In C programming, a function can call itself is called recursion. A function that calls itself is called a recursive function, and such function calls called recursive calls. It involves several numbers of recursive calls. Recursion code is shorter than iterative code, however it is difficult to understand. Recursion cannot be applied to all the problems. It may be applied to sorting, searching, and traversing problems. Now we consider a diagram shows how the factorial function is calling itself until the function reaches to the base condition. Now we use this formula for factorial function f of n equal to n star f of n minus 1. Now this figure to find out the factorial of 5, which means n equal to 5. So these are the steps how we calculate the factorial of any number. Now what are the advantages and disadvantages of recursion? Now first advantage, it is easily simplify and understandable. Second advantage, recursion makes program elegant and cleaner. Third benefit, using recursion we can avoid unnecessary calling of functions. Fourth benefit, the recursion is very flexible in data structure. And fourth benefit, using recursion the length of program can be reduced. So these are the benefits of recursion. Now what are the drawbacks of recursion? The first drawback, recursion requires extra storage space. Second drawback, for every recursive calls, separate memory is allocated to automatic variables with the same name. Third drawback, the recursion function is not efficient in execution speed and time. And fourth drawback, the recursion can use more memory and slow. Now next topic is function with arrays. Array can also be passed to a function as an argument. There are two ways to pass the array to a function. One, using call by value, and second, call by reference method. Now first, passing array to function using call by value method. Function call by value is the default way of calling a function. The actual parameter is copied to the formal parameters. The parameters that appear in function calls is called actual parameter, and the parameters that appear in function declaration is called formal parameter. So this example shows how to use of passing array to function using call by value. Now see the example and the output of this example. Next, passing array to function using call by reference method. When we pass the address of an array while calling a function, then this is called function call by reference. When we pass an address as an argument, the function declaration should have a pointer as a parameter to receive the passed address. So this example shows the use of passing array to function using call by reference, and the output of this example is as shown.